Hi guys, and welcome back. Rog here, aka the Gourmet Grandad. Well, today I'm going to try and do something a little bit special. This very old book here used to belong to my mum, and she handed it down to me. And we're going to make, let me see, a cheese souffle. How's about that then? So yes, this is old, but there's no date on it unfortunately, so I can't tell you how old. Anyway, I'll show you the ingredients first. So I'll make a start by showing you this lovely souffle dish that used to be my mum's. It always worked for her, so I hope it works for me. But we will see. Here we have 4 ounces of cheese, a quarter of a pint of milk, some flour, some butter, some salt, pepper and cayenne pepper. And this is the main ingredient for us. This is from our friends over the road, our good friends and neighbours, Peter and Joe. They've given homes to some chickens and are rewarded with these lovely fresh eggs. And they've been kind enough to give them to us. So thank you so much, Peter and Joe. We're going to use 3 eggs. We separated the yolks there from the white. Stay tuned, we'll get cooking. Onto the hob with a heavy based pan. Then in we could go with the butter. Get this to melt down. Then in we go with the flour. We can mix this in basically to make a roux, so we want to cook this out for a little while just to get rid of the floury taste. Not too long, about a minute. Then very slowly add our quarter of a pint of milk. Now it's thickened nicely, as you can see. We take this off of the heat. And while it's still piping hot, we can add the egg yolks, one at a time. Then we can add the seasoning. Give that a good stir. Next we can stir in the cheese. Then we can take the egg whites and we're going to whisk these up until they're light and fluffy. Now we can add the egg whites very slowly and just fold this in. So when this is done, we take our souffle dish, which has been pre-greased or pre-buttered, nicely done all the way around, don't miss any. In we go with the souffle mixture. Nice and carefully spoon that all in using a metal spoon. That's always advisable to use a metal spoon. Then we can go into the oven, gas mark 5, 375 degrees F, for about half an hour, 35 minutes. After that time, we take it out. Look at that lovely brown crust on the top, and it's risen nicely too. Let's cut a slice out. Oh, that looks so delish. Pop it on the plate. And then we've got a few shots of the finished meal. Served up with a nice crispy salad. So tasty. And a dressing on the top there, if you see that. There we go. Let's have the first forkful. Wow, so tasty. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and share, and you'll see the next video as soon as it comes out. Thanks again for watching.